This Shopify dropshipping store is currently generating over $10 million every single month. And in this video, I'm going to be revealing all the details behind the scene. This dropshipping store is selling a product that's over $12,000, and the craziest part is it's available on AliExpress. Today, I'm going to be going over the website they're using, the amount of sales they're generating, the exact product that they're selling, and the exact ads that they're running on Facebook. Make sure to stay tuned till the end of this video because I'm going to be revealing exactly how they do it. Before we get started, I want to quickly mention that I just created a free Discord community where you can learn how to start TikTok organic dropshipping. It's going to be the first link in the description, and like I said, it's completely free to join, so make sure to check that out. And with that being said, let's get right into this video. So as you guys can see, I've got the store pulled up here on Shop Hunter, and like I said, they did $11 million this month. This week they made $2.5 million, and today they made almost $500,000. This is absolutely crazy considering how expensive their product is, and it looks like they actually did over $1 million on January 12th. That's insane. So let me show you guys everything about this store. The products they're selling are saunas. This is the Panoramic Outdoor Sauna, the Luna Outdoor Sauna. And before you click off this video, you guys can sell these products too. They're not doing anything crazy here, except that they're just selling really expensive dropshipping products. Basically, they've got 10 different products here that they're selling. All of them are more than $5,000, which is really crazy. And in case you're interested, I've got a 30-day free trial for Shop Hunter in the description, so make sure to check that out. This is probably the ugliest dropshipping site I've ever seen. They use horrible font, horrible placement of the text, horrible copywriting. Who wants to read this? I don't know, but maybe it's their target market. Maybe they're looking for old people with money, clearly. So as you guys can see, this is their website, but let's take a look at the saunas that they're selling. This one in particular is an outdoor sauna, and as you guys can see, it's made of wood. It can go on your deck or your porch or on your lake or anything. But this is the product that they're selling. Here's a nice photo of it on a little tree branch. But the craziest part is, this is the exact product on AliExpress for $5,000. As you guys can see, it's the exact same product. They didn't change anything about it except that they got some better images. This one is actually a different sauna than this one. I'm not sure why they're doing that, but as you guys can see, this is the same exact sauna as this one, and they basically just marked it up 3x. Moving on, let's check out the Instagram account that they're using. Here it is. It's called @DivineSaunas. It looks like they posted something on their story. Oh, just a TikTok video. But as you can see, 900 followers. They've got a bunch of posts, and even though they don't get a lot of engagement, it looks like a really legit brand because it just is a really high quality images and they have good editing on the photos. So that's about it for the Instagram, but I got their advertisement pulled up on the Facebook ad library. Here it is. It's been running since January 1st, 2024. So let's take a look. Second generation family owned. That's a lie. Dunlac was the first to develop. No, they weren't. Panoramic sauna. That actually is so cool. And here's the one we just saw on AliExpress. Five-year warranty. Nice. Industry leader. And then the call to action. So as you guys can see, super simple video ad. It's nothing crazy. It's not eye-catching at all, and It honestly just explains about the product. So I hope you guys learned something from this video about this crazy high ticket dropshipping store. I know I definitely did, and it definitely inspired me to start selling more expensive dropshipping products. Like I said, if you want to learn how to start dropshipping on TikTok, click the first link in the description to join my free Discord community. And with that being said, I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.